Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick little Dollar Tree project share. So I bought this 2-pack of the round rings. I'm so mad I didn't get the heart ones. But anyway, I got the round rings from the Dollar Tree, and I bought these tablecloths. And as you can see, the colors, red, black, gold, and green. And that's the shade, like the shade of gold. I wish it was a gold or gold, if that makes sense. But I decided, since this is Black History Month, I would make a wreath out, and I also bought these 2 little cutters, the rotary cutter and the gift wrapping paper cutter, to try this out and to make 2 different wreaths. So I'm going to make one with individual colors and then make one with the mixed colors together, and it's a smaller wreath. And I will let you know, hopefully this will be enough to make 2 wreaths. I just started on this one, and we'll see if not, go back and get some more of this. And so one will be mixed and one will be solid colors. So I will be back once I am finished with that. Okay, so I am here now with the semi-final project. It's not totally finished because I can't get the piece that I need to go onto my wreaths. So I made 2 wreaths out of the tablecloths, like I said, but not totally finished. I had to trim it up. But one of the things that's not really finished that I needed to do is I've been looking at the Dollar Tree trying to find a wood piece to go across the top, and I didn't get one when they first came out, and I'm so mad because now I can't find one. So it's done as far as being completed, but I think it needs a piece, some kind of sentiment. I wanted to put the love or peace or family or hello or something up there, but I'm out of the pieces. So that's how that one looks. That's the first one. I made it separate colors. And again, this was for Black History Month. That's kind of the colors I went with. I do have to trim it. I didn't trim it yet. But the end of the month is here, and I'm like, I need to get this up. And I haven't had a chance to post a video. And I've been waiting, and I'm like, and I did this, you know, and I haven't had a chance to put the video up. So this is the other one. I did the same colors. I did 3 per strip. I'm sure many of you have made these before, like when you know, camp or summer, when you're a kid, you just take strips, like you can do trash bags, but this, of course, was with the Dollar Tree tablecloths. But you just cut 3 strips and just, like a simple tie, boom, not even a bow, just the one tie. Don't pull it too hard because they will stretch out of shape because it's plastic. But anyway, there are my 2. These are the small wreaths, the tiny ones, so from the Dollar Tree. But I wanted to do something for Black History Month. But I still gonna look to see if I can find a wood sentiment to put on it and then redo, you know, put it on it and glue it or fix it or whatever. So if I can find a wood piece, I will. But if not, I just want to show this so you can see a project that you can make, the bigger wreaths or, you know, the other shapes that they have sometimes at the Dollar Tree, that you can use using your tablecloths. So quick, simple project, easy to do. You don't have to be really crafty. A child can do this. If they can tie a knot, boom, you can do this. So very easy, very affordable, cheap. So these, I did 3 tablecloths, and I made both of these, and I still have plenty left. So I still have, like, good example, like that was cut in half, but this much of my tablecloth still left. So it doesn't take a lot of project. I can make another one, or almost another one, out of it using these colors. So still have plenty of that left, but that was just something to use other than the mesh, because they didn't have the mesh in these colors. You can also use napkins. You can use a lot of different materials, but easy to make, something you have to do with your kids for a project to honor Black History Month. And if I could find an African wooden piece to put up here, the continent of Africa, or a sentiment, you know, I would put it up here. So, and of course you can hang these on the back of your door or whatever, your room or something, maybe decorate your classroom or something. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.